You see, their fee is free. They are not charging you any, they are not taking any money from you for it. Stamp duty is also free. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Golance and what withdrawal option might best suit you if you earn through Golance and you want to withdraw your money. Now, this is Golance withdrawal methods page. This is where you pretty much, go to withdraw your money. If you click here, you click on payments, then you pretty much be able to access this page. So now we want to withdraw. So we want to set our withdrawal method. I already have 4 set here, and if I want to add another one, and for the sake of this class, I will click on add withdrawal method here at the top. And here you are basically going to see my country. It's Nigeria. And of course, these are the withdrawal options that are available to me. Now, you would notice that yours might not have PayPal withdrawal option. This might be so because you're probably new to Golance or you never requested it. For most people, if you want to withdraw through PayPal, you have to send an email to Golance support. In your Golance account, there should be a chat bubble or the support page. Just go there and inform the customer support that you would like a PayPal withdrawal option. They might enable it for you. This is not a guarantee, but that's how I got mine enabled. I simply said I would like to withdraw to PayPal, and they allowed me to do that. So that might also work for you. But again, the options you usually have is the bank withdrawal option, Payoneer option, and of course the cryptocurrencies option. If you click on any of them, you'll get more information. For bank transfers, I don't use this option and I don't recommend it because if you are going to be using the bank transfer option, the conversion rate from dollars to naira might be too low for you. So I don't recommend this option at all. Another option would be digital wallets. If you're using the digital wallets option, you're going to have to pay some fee. Now, I also do not recommend using Payoneer for withdrawal from Golance anymore. Back in the day, as far back as 2020, it was free. You could simply connect your Payoneer account to your Golance and you withdraw your money directly to your Payoneer. It was very, very smooth, straightforward and everything. But now, if you're withdrawing from Golance to Payoneer, you have to pay a $2 fee first. And then when the money arrives Payoneer, Payoneer is going to deduct $10 if the money is less than $500. If it's more than $500, you probably pay way more charges. So Payoneer is a no-no. I don't recommend it, especially if you're in Nigeria. Then PayPal is not fully available, to Nigerians. So I would also not recommend it. I only enabled PayPal later in the years because there was basically an option for me to send money to a PayPal account that I was using to pay for something at the time, and I did it. But right now I don't use PayPal anymore because PayPal doesn't fully work in Nigeria. If you're using a Nigerian PayPal account, you might send money to it, it might get stuck. So be very careful. I do not recommend using this option. That brings us to the final one, which is the cryptocurrencies option. This is the only option, in my opinion, that would work smoothly for you, especially if you're in Nigeria. So my most preferred withdrawal option for cryptocurrency is the Tron wallet, which is the TRC20. So you withdraw USDT to a Tron wallet address. How do you get your Tron wallet address? Well, pretty much the same way you get your any of your crypto wallet address. If you use Binance or Bybit or CLEVA or or GPay and co. The first platform I think you should check out to withdraw your crypto or your dollars as a freelancer is CLEVA. CLEVA is a startup in Nigeria that lets you withdraw your dollars from Upwork, Fiverr, even Amazon, KDP, Golance and co to your wallet. So it's a Nigerian startup that lets you receive crypto and dollars from anywhere as a freelancer, then helps you convert the dollars to naira. You will see their conversion rate here. So you can use CLEVA, you can use Divest as well. Divest is another platform that pretty much lets you withdraw your crypto and convert it to Naira for you. I have used it as well. That's where I'm talking about it. Then the last one is GPay. They rebranded to Rainnest, but they also let you receive dollars from anywhere. So these are the three platforms that I can recommend anytime, any day, because I've used them. I've had issues with them. GPay, for example, there was a time that, they flagged my account. I reached out to support and it was pretty much resolved. Divest, I've never had issues with them. It's pretty straightforward and all of that. CLEVA, I have been to CLEVA's event. I've met, with the CEO. We've gone for the anniversary. It was pretty chill. So for the sake of this class, I am going to be using CLEVA. So CLEVA lets you pretty much withdraw your USDT, basically your payment. Let you withdraw your money, your dollars from Golance in USDT to your account. And it's pretty straightforward. First of all, you need to sign up. You can, sign up with my link in the description of this video. And after signing up, your account should look like this. You should get a US dollar account and a Naira account. That is what CLEVA does. It gives you a US dollar account and a Naira account to withdraw your money through. So I'm assuming you already have an account. It's fully set up. So you click on add funds. You click on receive USDT or USDC from external wallets. Arrives in 5 to 10 minutes. So you click on it. And then here, you can select USDT Tron. You click on it. You're going to get some note here that is telling you that, the minimum amount you can withdraw is $10. They are going to charge $1 for deposits. That's it. And then you see a bunch of other instructions here. So what you want to copy is this, the USDT address. You copy it. Keep in mind, it's USDT address on what network? Tron network. So you copy it. Yeah, you go back to your Golance and you add it as a payment method. I already did here. That is what you see here, this one. But for the sake of this class, I'll show you how to add yours. So you click on add withdrawal method. You click on cryptocurrencies. Then you scroll all the way down to USDT TRC20. TRC20 is the Tron network. So anytime you see TRC, it's the Tron network they're talking about. So again, you copy your wallet address, you go back to here. So Golance fee $2 plus 1%. This is the cheapest withdrawal option here most of the time, like 99.9% of the time, so click on it, then click on continue. Then to ask you to paste the Tron wallet address, which you've copied from your CLEVA. So you paste it here, Ctrl V, I'm going to paste it. They said it may take up to 24 hours to verify a new withdrawal method. That's fine. So you click on it. And it will not show up here first. You see here, it says pending. So you have to wait for it to, to show. In the meantime, you can see an option here to remove it if you want to. But if you want to have it here, just leave it. Let it finish propagating. Right now, it hasn't finished propagating. Let me close this. It's still pending. Let me refresh the page. Let's see if it has been approved. Sometimes it gets approved instantly. It hasn't been approved, but the gist of the matter is you have to wait for it to get approved. Once it's approved, you'll be able to actually withdraw money to this address. So when you're withdrawing the money, this is what it would look like. You come to move money, you come to make withdrawal. If you click on make withdrawal, you can withdraw your money to that address. And when you make the withdrawal, they should charge you around $1 or $2 for the transaction. The money is going to land here inside your CLEVA. So if it lands here in dollars, you can then transfer the money to your Nigerian bank account. It's super easy. So let's say I received $1, which of course is not possible because the minimum you can withdraw from Golance to this place is $10. But let's say I received this $1. I click on transfer I want to transfer this. I already added my bank account here, my OPay and my Kuda. So click on it. How much am I sending? I'm sending $1. Let's say I'm sending $1 again for the sake of this class. So as you can see, I'm transferring 1.88. You see, their fee is free. They are not charging you any, they are not taking any money from you for it. Stamp duty is also free. So it means that I can withdraw this money now straight from here to my OPay. Once I click on continue, it will show me the summary. Magnus, you're withdrawing this so amount, and everything. You see the fees here and everything. I particularly choose CLEVA for this tutorial and for this whole thing because, again, their transfer fee is free. So once I confirm details, boom, I will be able to, transfer the money and withdraw my money. So it's pretty straightforward. You receive the money in your bank account and you can go spend it. You can also see the daily limit here and all of that, and it resets from time to time. So again, I chose CLEVA because I have been to their event. They are pretty transparent with these things and they are pretty chill about it. You can also send money to your friends through the CLEVA tag. So if you click on CLEVA tag, you just need to enter your friend's email if they use CLEVA, and you can send money to them from here. So that's it. That's how you withdraw your money from, again, Golance. You can use these other platforms as well, Divest, GPay as well. I have used them before. I can confirm that they work, but my most recent and my most trusted, for this whole thing is the CLEVA option. I hope this helps. I'll see you around.